Click the Account button in the upper right to access your account and subscription information. Under Account Info, you will see your email address, current number of connections and teams, and your last login. When you click Manage Account, you will be able to update your name and whether your email address is visible to others. You can also change your password. Under Current Subscription, you will see your current tier level, the monthly cost, the date you subscribed, your next billing date, and the maximum number of connections and teams allowed at this level. When you click Manage Subscription, you will see your subscription history as well as your upgrade and downgrade options. Click Payment Methods to add or change your payment method. When you click Invoice History, you will be able to see an invoice for each of your previous payments. You can click on the invoice link to download a PDF file of the invoice.